Gone are the days of staring into a refrigerator full of food and thinking, "I have nothing to eat." Yummly has unveiled a new app, it says, that can scan the items in your fridge and recommend recipes based on what you have, even taking your preferences and dietary restrictions into account. The app will walk users step by step through the meal-making process if needed, and, in partnership with Whirlpool, it can even preheat the oven for you and notify you when your food is ready. Whirlpool is set to launch the free new Yummly app, Yummly 2.0, in the spring or summer this year. While it can work with Whirlpool appliances, its starring ingredient recognition feature doesn't require you own a smart refrigerator. So, anyone with an iOS or Android device can use it to scan their food and pull up the best recommendations. In a hands-on demonstration, it says, Yummly head of nutrition and wellness Edwina Clark showed Daily Email. How the app can scan an assortment of ingredients on the table and pinpoint exactly what each item is. Presented with a variety, the app impressively detected the different objects when Daily Email. Tried it out, even correcting itself to properly label a butternut squash after first mistakenly labeling it a potato. I want recipe recommendations based on things I already have at home. People find they have a hodgepodge of things, so we have solved that with ingredient recognition. In the demonstration, the app recognized 6 ingredients that could work for a recipe. It will only provide relevant recommendations, Clark explained. We have a watermelon and potatoes here, and those don't go together, so it won't pair them. The app can also help you plan out your meals ahead of time. If you indicate that you'd like to eat at 5, for example, it will tell you what time to begin prepping, so you'll hit your target, Clark said. It also displays nutritional information, but not in the way you may be used to. On the Yummly 2.0 app, nutritional information is shown as a circle with a percentage written at the center. And the circle is filled up to the point that matches this percentage to better visualize the information. We have a different approach to nutritional information, Clark told dailymail.com. We use natural language processing to attach nutrition information to our recipes and display it like this, instead of a traditional label. For those who do have a Whirlpool appliance, the app will also display a small connected icon to reveal recipes developed in-house, with instructions more specific to the Whirlpool appliances. This can be used to control the oven, for example, and will tell you all of the ingredients and tools you'll need for a meal. According to the Whirlpool team, this means you're no longer tethered to the kitchen while you wait for a meal to be ready. And it could make stepping away for a moment much safer. This allows us to leave the kitchen. We don't have to babysit, a Whirlpool exhibitor explained during a demonstration. If you've ever left the kitchen and then you smelled something burning in the background because you forgot about the dish you were cooking, or the pot boils over, well, now you can go switch the laundry to the dryer, help the kids with the homework, and it's going to let you know when your meal is done in the range. If you can't immediately make it back to the oven, it also gives you a few options to prevent ruining the meal. Let's say she went to walk her dog and she's not there to take the salmon out when it's complete, an exhibitor said during the demonstration. It will allow her to keep this warm for 5 minutes, it will allow her to say that it's done, or it will allow her to add more time to that recipe if she feels it needs more. And once your food is ready, it will also let you know exactly what it should look like, so you don't run the risk of serving, say, undercooked meat.